something on here. Jack. Yep, got him. Morning, you filthy animals. We have made it down to the Florida coast this time. Glad to be here in Florida fishing. We've got 4 poles set up. It's supposed to be a slow dropping tide. Got one set up for big fish. We'll see what it does today. Great. The question is, what was it on? All right, you got a catfish.
Oh, got me a hard hit.
The only thing that bites. What do we get? That's a little bluefish, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a little bluefish. Bad bait, you know.
Look at the teeth on it. I don't know if we got something or not. Oh, I got something. It's a little jack.
I think the runners and the jacks are running.
Nice.
It just had to warm up.
Did you have a bite on this one?
It moved a little bit.
Because I just had shrimp on these, so. I think they're unregulated.
What is it, a jack?
Yeah, just look up.
This one got a bite. Oh, we might start be getting stuff. What is it? It's another bluefish. Did you want to keep this too or let it go?
You can if you want. We could bleed them and then try them.
All right.
I've always heard that this is a trash fish, and I try not to believe when people say that it's a trash fish, and I try to give the fish a fair chance and think that people just don't know how to cook it. And upon cooking this fish, it honestly turned out really good. We just bled it, and whenever I was flaying it, I cut the bloodline out really well. And then we just baked it with butter, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and lemon, and it turned out to be a white flaky meat, and honestly it was really good. So if you ever get the chance, I wouldn't listen to people saying it's a trash fish, and I would just, you know, make sure you bleed it out and cut the bloodline out and stuff, and honestly I thought it was pretty good.
Interesting.
Probably bleed the other.
Yeah. Dad. Let's see. I don't think it's too big. Something bit it for sure.
Well, it took it, and then it just spit it out. Yeah, perfect.
Oh, it's something on here. It's something decent. Why is the drag so tight? It's a shark. You got a shark?
I got a video for you.
Thanks. I don't know. Huh? Okay. I pick it up and don't get a bite anymore.
Gotta feel, you gotta set that hook, sir. Look, you're getting the big pole, sir. Big pole. Another blue.
Okay.
You don't want it, dude.
Now. There it is. What'd you drop?
My bait.
Oh.
Get loose, Dylan.
I got him.
Got it?
Yeah. Another shark.
I'll go grab the pliers.
Okay. Another shark.
You just like emptying my pole.
This one looks like the same. They're all right at the same size.
Yeah.
Hey, you still got your head.
Yeah. All right, another shark. Come on and come back. Yeah. We got him. Another one. Man, it is slow start today, and it's picking up. It's really picking up. It's another jack. Yeah. All right, another jack. Huh? And we got another one going off. It's crazy. Did you get it?
Pretty heavy for a jack.
It's a lot of weight though too.
There he is. I feel his weight now. I don't know where he's at.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, little jack.
Another little jack.
Something on it. It ain't big.
Yeah. We'll see. It's another little jack. It's the smallest one yet. The jack run. Sorry.
He's so tiny. Okay.
Woohoo! Did you get one?
I think it's little.
Probably. It's a bunch of little jacks. Oh, look, you got another jack. Good job. Are you getting it or me?
I can try.
That's pretty good.
Okay. Yeah, that one's not bad.
Ooh. He's floppy.
There you go. Oh, that one was barely hooked. Nice.
I need a picture for Mom.
Okay. That or I can send you whatever this is once I edit it. Okay.
Just throw it?
Yeah. Another small one. We got something going off. Yeah, it's just the drag wasn't quite ready. It's another shark. Did you see him tossing the wave? All right, another shark.
There you go. They're all about the same size. That one's a little smaller.
Yeah, it is.
Got him, got him, got him.
Thanks.
This one looks extra pointy compared to the others.
Yeah.
He's the cleanest one yet. The others have all.
I know.
Hang on.
Let's see. Got him. Got him that time.
Glad I can set it for you, sir.
Yeah. Well, look at that. There's a shark out there busting up the bait. Oh, it's a whiting. No, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, Dad. No. I don't know what this is. It's got stripes and stuff.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, we'll send it back.
Okay.
I got him.
Got him?
Yeah. Another shark.
Been toying with it. There it is.
Did you get it?
Yeah, it's on. Not your sharks, sir.
I know, you're not as good.
If I can get them out of that water.
Looks like another blue.
Yeah, it looks like a blue. This is a good sign.
Nice. Did you? That's funny.
It's a little tiny baby dad.
Oh, yes. Oh, you lost them.
He went hook good. Little teddy bear.
I'm going to throw them back, okay? I'm going to throw them back. Jack. Jack, Jack. I got something.
Okay. Oh yeah, something's going on there. Looks like you got a shark.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Got the same one, greater.
It's a great white. I think I got him. Yeah, I finally got him. Yeah. Yep. Another little jack. All right, another little jack covered in sand. Water is slowly making its way out. I got him.
doubled up on jack. Oh, a double jack. All right.
Did you get it? Oh, you got two, you doubled up. Yeah, two jacks. All right, got a little shad out there. So we're gonna get this guy out there. They've been biting, the cut bait's been pretty much biting on everything. Between little jacks, mullet. Now we'll see if this shad bites. I got him. Yeah.
Yeah, this one's clean. I thought it
It gets caught in that wave, and you've really got to reel it in to keep up with it.
I don't know, these waves are weird.
Another jack.
Another jack.
Dad, the end pole. Dad. Got it finally. You got a bluefish?
Yeah. I gotta cut my hand.
Another jack, baby. All right. Nice. This one's going up. Every time. It goes off like crazy, and as soon as you grab it, there's nothing.
Got it, that's fine.
It'll be nothing.
Look at that. Look at that. Huge.
Yeah.
Get that damn thing in the water.
Seems to be what it is. Oh, look. What is that? That's not a jack. No, that's another whatever that thing was I caught earlier.
I'm telling you, those are white. They got the little lump this time.
You should have said the hook harder.
What?
You should have said it harder.
Let him feel like he's on there. He's on there, but he ain't big.
Yeah. Another little jack.
Little jack. We're out by the time I get him up here. Got him. Another jack.
Yep. Jack, baby. We're getting another bite. Probably another jack. We'll check it. Oh, wow. Actually, felt kind of heavy. Yeah, another jack. I can get it off. It's only this last one. It's all... Another jack, baby. Yes, sir. Oh, we do have something on there. I didn't think there was nothing on there.
I didn't think there was nothing when I had a double.
It's just another...
That's all that is.
Yeah.
That's why there's...
Another baby jack. Let this guy go. Let's see, we're getting another small little bite. Probably another small jack. Yep, got him. All right, another jack, Dad.
All right, good job.
Haven't caught one of those today. Another baby jack. Did you get it?
Feels like something's on there. Feels like a little punch.
Probably is.
Come with waves now.
It's been, those big waves have been tossing the fish up. It's another blue.
Oh, shit. That's blue.
Something's biting. I think I got him. Let's see. What do we got? Another jack. Another jack, Dad. Woo! All right, just had a bluefish and now a jack. Oh, these guys back. Let's see. Can't tell with the waves. All right, I got it that time.
All right, good.
It's a monster. I just seen it get thrown by a wave.
Man, that's bait.
It's huge. All right, another jack to bring home for bait. Do you? Oh,
He's coming, he just lost
terrific.
a long ways out there, so.
Yeah. Oh, and he fell off. What is it? It's not a jack.
I think it's another jack. Is that what it is?
Little croaker going back. Whiting, whatever that. Alright, last reel-in of the day, packing it up and heading out. It was a good day. Caught a bunch of jacks, bluefish, whiting, a few sharks. Caught everything, honestly. And nothing on this last one. This is day 1 in Florida. We'll catch y'all on the next day. Morning, you filthy animals. Florida day 2. It is it's quite a rough day. We've got a lot of weight tied on. I got a spider weight on, and it's hard to tell a bite, but we're still gonna try anyways. Let's see. It's quite rough today. Barely tell what's what. Got a whole bunch of weight on here. And we got a little catfish. Yeah, I could see him hitting this one. It started, instead of the long poles, it started bouncing like normal or whatever. First fish of the day. Another hardhead, Florida day 2. It's already heavy with all the weight on there, but it'll just feel real heavy. Oh. Now you've got a fish.
Oh, okay.
You got another little catfish.
Oh, great.
It's a good day. You got something? Yeah, you got something. All right. Another hardhead. It bit that once and then it let go, so I was giving it a second. That's a bite. I think we got something this time. Yeah, we got something small. On a catfish. Another catfish! Yeah. Nice jellyfish. Poisonous. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Nice, you got a jack. It's finally not a catfish. Sweet.
Alright y'all, this is going to wrap up our second day of Florida fishing. As you could probably tell, it was not that eventful. The weather was really bad. It was really cold. Wind was blowing really hard. It got to the point at the beach to where it was really hard to tell the difference between a bite and the wave hitting your line. So we ended up packing it up and bringing it inshore to this pier underneath the bridge, and as y'all could tell, that was also uneventful there. So this wraps up our Florida trip. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you'd like any bait or tackle, It is available at our website, surffishingco.com. Any support we do really greatly appreciate. Thank you guys again.